the human brain. A marvel of biological engineering, a complex organ that has evolved over millions of years to become the command center of the human body, a labyrinth of neurons, firing in concert, creating a network so intricate that it boggles the mind. Each neuron, a tiny cell, plays a crucial role in this vast network, a symphony of electrical impulses giving rise to consciousness, thoughts, and emotions. These electrical signals are the language of the brain, a language that we are only beginning to understand. It's the engine of our thoughts, the architect of our emotions, the very essence of what makes us human. Every smile, every tear, every decision we make is orchestrated by this incredible organ. Yet, in the heart of our technological age, a new contender emerges. Artificial intelligence, a creation of human ingenuity, designed to replicate and even surpass certain aspects of human intelligence. AI, with its complex algorithms and computational prowess, is learning to mimic, even surpass, certain aspects of human intelligence. These algorithms, crafted by brilliant minds, enable machines to learn, adapt, and evolve. Machines are now capable of beating chess grandmasters, translating languages, and even composing music. These feats, once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intellect, are now being achieved by artificial minds. This begs the question, in this grand tapestry of intelligence, who reigns supreme? Is it the human brain, with its unparalleled ability to feel, to create, to imagine? Is it the biological marvel of the human brain, honed by millennia of evolution? A brain that has survived and thrived through countless challenges, adapting and evolving to become the pinnacle of biological intelligence? Or is it the cold, calculated efficiency of artificial intelligence, constantly learning and adapting at an unprecedented rate? An intelligence that can process vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, making decisions with precision and speed. This is the story of two titans, locked in a dance of progress and potential, a dance that could shape the future of humanity and technology. It's a journey into the heart of intelligence, both biological and artificial, to uncover the strengths, the limitations, and the unexpected harmony that might lie in their collaboration. Together they could achieve things that neither could accomplish alone. Join me as we delve into this fascinating dichotomy, exploring the intricate workings of the brain and the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. We'll examine the breakthroughs, the challenges, and the ethical considerations that come with this new era of intelligence. Together we'll navigate the uncharted territories of thought, unraveling the mysteries of consciousness and the potential of artificial minds. We'll explore how these two forms of intelligence can coexist, complement each other, and perhaps even merge in ways we have yet to imagine. Imagine a vast network, billions of neurons interconnected, firing messages at lightning speed. This intricate web of communication is the foundation of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This is your brain, the ultimate organic computer. Unlike any man-made machine, it processes information with unparalleled efficiency and adaptability. Each neuron, a tiny messenger, transmits information through electrochemical signals, a language whispered across synapses. These signals are the brain's way of communicating, ensuring that every part of the body functions in harmony. This interconnected web allows us to process information, form memories, and experience the world around us in all its complexity. From the simplest reflex to the most profound thought, our brain is constantly at work. But the brain's communication goes beyond simple signals. It involves a symphony of interactions, each contributing to our overall cognitive function. It operates on multiple levels, from the subconscious hum of regulatory functions to the conscious effort of solving complex equations. The brain seamlessly integrates these layers, allowing us to navigate both the mundane and the extraordinary aspects of life. Consider the act of reading this essay. It's a seemingly simple task, yet it involves a complex interplay of neural processes. Your eyes scan the words, sending signals to the visual cortex. This initial step is just the beginning of a fascinating journey within your brain. These signals are then interpreted, transformed into meaning. The brain deciphers the shapes and patterns of letters, converting them into coherent thoughts. Simultaneously, your brain accesses prior knowledge, makes connections, and allows you to comprehend the text. It draws from a vast reservoir of memories and experiences to enrich your understanding. This intricate interplay of electrical and chemical signaling is what allows us to learn, adapt, and evolve. Every moment of learning is a testament to the brain's incredible capacity for growth and change. Every new experience, every piece of information absorbed strengthens existing neural pathways or forges new ones. This dynamic process is known as neuroplasticity, and it is the cornerstone of our ability to adapt to new challenges and environments. It's a continuous process of rewiring and refinement, shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately our individual selves. Neuroplasticity ensures that we are never static, always capable of growth and transformation. And it's a process that, despite the impressive strides in artificial intelligence, remains uniquely human. Our brains possess a level of creativity, empathy, and intuition that machines have yet to replicate. This hidden language of the brain is a testament to the profound complexity and beauty of human cognition. One of the most remarkable aspects of the human brain is its capacity for abstract thought, for imagination. We can conjure images, emotions, and entire worlds within the theater of our minds. This ability to think beyond the concrete, to envision the impossible, is fueled by the complex interplay of various brain regions, a symphony of neural activity that remains a mystery to science. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, operates on logic and algorithms. AI systems excel at processing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making predictions based on that data. They can learn to recognize images, translate languages, and even compose music, often surpassing human capabilities in speed and accuracy. But can they truly imagine, dream, or feel? Herein lies a fundamental difference between the human brain and artificial intelligence. While AI excels at logic and computation, the human mind thrives on creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence. We are driven by curiosity, empathy, and a desire to understand the world and our place within it. These qualities, deeply rooted in our biology and shaped by our experiences, are what make us uniquely human. The human brain is often compared to the universe, vast, complex, and filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Just as astronomers peer into the cosmos to understand the origins and workings of the universe, neuroscientists delve into the intricate network of neurons and synapses to decode the secrets of our minds. We have made significant strides in understanding the brain's anatomy and function, but much remains unknown. The brain is composed of approximately 86 billion neurons, each forming thousands of connections, creating a dense and dynamic network. Despite our advances, the sheer complexity of these connections means that many aspects of brain function are still shrouded in mystery. New discoveries are constantly being made, challenging our assumptions and revealing the incredible adaptability and resilience of this remarkable organ. For instance, recent studies have shown that the brain's activity is not just confined to isolated regions, but involves complex interactions across different areas, working in concert to produce thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Neuroplasticity, for instance, has revolutionized our understanding of the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout life. This concept has shown that the brain is not a static organ, but one that is continually reshaping itself in response to new experiences, learning, and even damage. It's now understood that the brain can rewire itself, forming new neural connections in response to learning, experience, and even injury. This ability to reorganize and form new pathways is crucial for recovery from brain injuries and for adapting to new challenges and environments. This discovery has profound implications for education, rehabilitation, and our understanding of human potential. In education, it suggests that learning can physically alter the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities and skills. In rehabilitation, it offers hope for recovery from neurological conditions, as targeted therapies can stimulate brain plasticity and aid in regaining lost functions. Another area of exploration is the study of consciousness, that elusive phenomenon that makes us aware of ourselves and the world around us. Consciousness is what allows us to experience the richness of life, from the colors we see to the emotions we feel. While we have identified brain regions associated with consciousness, the exact mechanisms that give rise to subjective experience remain a mystery. Researchers are investigating how different brain regions interact to produce the unified experience of consciousness, and how this process can be disrupted in conditions like coma or anesthesia. Cracking this code is one of the greatest challenges in neuroscience, with implications that extend far beyond the realm of biology touching upon philosophy, artificial intelligence, and our very understanding of what it means to be human. The quest to understand consciousness not only seeks to unravel the workings of the brain, but also to answer fundamental questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. As we continue to chart the brain's uncharted territories, we move closer to unlocking the secrets of our own minds and the universe itself.